Oh yeah, YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. In this video, I'm going to talk about networks, particularly hiding your network. Now, with all the social distancing that is happening in the world, there are a lot of people who are homeschooling their children or who are taking their classes online at home. And with that comes the threat of someone hacking into your network, your wireless network, if it is visible to them. Now with that, you are going to need a network device. You have Netgear, which is here. These are both geared for wired and wireless networking of whatever setup that you are wanting to have at your home. You have Linksys, who also has a number of wired and wireless devices. Some of these have even tri-band, which are 3 bands, and some have MU-MIMO, which is multiple in, multiple output, multiple user connectivity. Whichever you decide, of course, it can range anywhere from budget to, the distance range that you're looking for, but make sure you do all your research before you decide which product you're willing to purchase. With that being said, I am going to show you how to hide your network. Now, when I say hide your network, I mean your wireless network. Now, your wireless network is where you have to log in. You got your Wi-Fi signal going on in your house, and all your wireless devices have to connect to that in order to get online with. So, once you get your wireless modem, you are going to want to go into the settings of the router, whichever one it is, whether it's Linksys or Netgear, and you have to go into the settings and you have to enable it to hide the SSID. That's what you want to look for. You look for where it says either hide network name or hide the SSID. With that being done, your network will no longer be visible to anyone who does a scan on all of the networks. What will happen is that when they scan, they're just going to see the networks that are visible. They will not see your network. And the good thing about that is, if they can't see it, they can't hack it. And if they can hack it, you're good. Once you have your Netgear or Linksys product selected and you have it set up, you want to log into it. There's usually login information on the bottom of the router or the side or even the top, but there's usually a sticker that has the website that you go to, and it's actually built into the router. So if you're not connected to the internet, do not worry about that. You'll still get into the router. You log in with the administrator name or the administrator password that it gives you on the bottom or the side of the label of the product. Once you log in, you should be able to see a tab that says wireless or wireless security. That's where you will go to be able to hide your SSID. Once you engage that, or enable that rather, you're going to come back to your desktop and you're going to come down to your taskbar down here, and you'll see a little world icon, and it's going to tell you you're not connected, but wireless networks, or there are connections that are available. You're going to click on that, and you're going to have this menu come up of all the available wireless networks in your area. Now, you're not going to see your network because, once again, you hit it, so it's not there. You want to come down to where it says hidden network, and that should be all the way down, and you're going to click on it. and it's going to ask you about connecting automatically or connect. You want to make sure that connect automatically is checked. You're going to click connect. Now it's going to ask you what the name of your network is, which is your SSID. Once you type that in, the next thing it's going to ask you is for the password to the SSID or your hidden network. When you do that, you're going to click connect. It may ask you about connecting other devices to the network. You're going to select no, and from there it should connect to your network. If it doesn't, then you may have accidentally input the wrong password. So try again until you get the right password, and you should be able to connect. So I'm going to attempt to log in to my network just to show you what it's like. So you're going to choose the name of your network, and I'm going to hide my information for my security purposes. And down here it says I am connected. And that's really all there is to it. Now you have to do this for all your devices. You have to know the name of your network, because it's not going to tell you what the name of your network is, which is why you have to either write it down or know what it is and your password. Once you do that for all your wireless devices, you are good to go. Your network is hidden, all your devices are connected to it, and there's nothing else you need to do. So enjoy your network safely and securely. So I hope this helps you guys out. I hope you guys stay safe and are continuing to stay safe. Take care. Peace out.